forget the tire shopping headaches. I'm about to show you how to snag the best motorcycle tires without losing your wallet or your mind. So you finally realize that those bald, cracked, and useless tires on your motorcycle are a problem. Congratulations, now you're ready to enter the world of confusing, expensive, and soul-crushing world of buying motorcycle tires. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the madness so you don't end up spending a fortune on the wrong rubber. And as always, let's ride. If your tires look like an old leather boot, congratulations, you've been riding on luck. If you see cracks, bald spots, or wires hanging out, yeah, I know, there are people out there like that. It's time to replace your tires. Even if your tires have tread, but they're older than your high school diploma, it's time to replace them. Rubber breaks down over time. Even if you're just using your motorcycle to make it look like you're living an adventurous life on Instagram. Know your tire size. Buying tires without knowing your tire size is just like buying shoes without knowing your foot size. You're going to look dumb and it's not going to work. Check the sidewall of your current tire. It'll have a string of numbers that look something like this. This isn't some secret code. It tells you 120 gives you the width of the tire in millimeters. Wider tires mean more grip, but also more resistance. 70 is the aspect ratio, which is the height compared to the width. Lower number means sportier handling. Higher numbers mean a cushier ride. And 17 is the rim diameter. Get this wrong and your tires won't fit. The next step is choose the right type of tire or regret everything later. Tires are not a one-size-fits-all situation. If you pick the wrong type of tire, your bike will either feel like a wobbly shopping cart or grip the road like a dream. Here are your options. Sport tires for the speed demons. If you love carving corners and treating the road like your own personal racetrack, these are for you. Sport tires offer excellent grip, but wear out faster than your patience on the traffic jam. Touring tires for the sensible adult. Planning a long highway ride with minimal drama? Touring tires give you great mileage, a comfortable ride, and solid grip in various weather conditions. They won't make you feel like Valentino Rossi, but they'll keep you safe. Cruiser tires for those who love the open road. Designed for big, heavy motorcycles, think Harley Davidson or Indian. Cruiser tires offer long-lasting tread and excellent stability. You won't be dragging a knee in every turn, but you'll look cool at every gas stop. Dual sport/adventure tires for the I ride everywhere crowd. These tires handle both pavement and off-road adventures. If you enjoy getting yourself and your motorcycle covered in mud, this is what you need. Just know that tires are not perfect in both pavement and off-road. There's always a compromise. Off-road tires for those people who think pavement is boring. If your idea of fun is blasting through dirt, rock, and sand, get aggressive knobby tires. Just don't try to use them on pavement unless you enjoy feeling every tiny bump on the road. Next step, pick the brand of tires that won't betray you. There are plenty of tire brands out there, and most of them are pretty decent, but some have proven themselves over time, and here's just a few of the popular ones. Michelin, famous for grip and longevity. Also, their mascot is a marshmallow man, which is kind of fun. Pirelli, sporty, sticky, and expensive. If you want performance, they deliver. Dunlop, a solid choice for sport, touring, and cruiser bikes. Bridgestone, great quality and usually used as original equipment on most new bikes. Michelin, German engineering, which means they are great for long distance riding. Shinko, budget friendly, but quality could be hit or miss. If you're broke but you need new tires, they do exist. Next step, break in your new tires so you don't end up in a ditch. New tires are slick because the manufacturers coat them with a release agent so they won't stick to the mold. So that means your new tires have the grip of a banana peel until you break them in. First 100 miles, take it easy. No hard acceleration, braking, or leaning like you're in MotoGP. Gradually increase the lean angles. Let the tires scrub naturally. Check your tire pressure regularly. Underinflated tires handle like a bowl of chocolate pudding. Next step, maintain your tires like a responsible adult. Buying new tires is fun. Not really, but you don't want to do it more often than necessary. Follow these tips to extend their life. Tip number 1, check the tire pressure regularly. Underinflated tires wear unevenly and kill your gas mileage. Tip number 2, inspect for damage. Look for cracks, punctures, or nails. Yes, you'll probably find a nail at some point. Avoid burnouts. Unless you like to spend money on tires every other week. Don't overload your bike. Tires have weight limits. Exceed them and you're asking for trouble. Cold weather storage. If you're parking your bike for the winter, store it properly. Keep it in a cool, dry place away from sunlight. Elevate the tires from the ground with stands to avoid flat spots. If you cannot elevate your tires from the ground, Rotate them occasionally to avoid deformities. Buying motorcycle tires isn't rocket science, but it does require some thought. Pick the right size, brand, and type, and you'll enjoy the smooth, fun, safe ride. Get it wrong, and you'll either be miserable or in the hospital. Watch this next video, and I'll see you there.